Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the thing where you say what you think your famous singer your friend would sound like. Now, I don't really have many friends because there are only 6 girls in my thing, okay? And some of them I don't like because but I'm going to start with Stardust, and some of them may be made up, but not many of them. So hopefully let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I may be singing at the end, so watch out for that.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me.
That's quite enough, Patricia, thank you. It's Stardust's turn now. And I forgot to show who Patricia is. She's just a character I made when I'm bored, and she's a very funny person.
Ooh, together
We can take it high.
I can hear the thunder coming from your mouth, and I know my number's up. Give me some Stevie Wonder. Click, put it on before we go under. I can see the lightning coming from your ears. Yeah, I see you're frightened. I can see the lion sleeps tonight and the tears you're crying. Ooh, can't love me unless you love you too. Treat yourself like nothing but a fool. Can't love me unless you love you too.
Okay, so next is who I think a friend from school called Amelie would sound like.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you. Moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Okay, so next up is a girl called Hannah, and she is from my school. She's one of my friends, and she's going to another school with me, so let's go.
This world can hurt you, it cuts you deep and leaves a scar. Things fall apart, but nothing breaks like a heart. Nothing breaks like a heart. I heard you on the phone last night. We live and die by pretty lies, you know it. We both know it. These silver bullet cigarettes, this burning house, there's nothing left, it's smoking. We both know it. We got all night to fall in love, but just like that we fall apart, we're broken.
Hi guys, sorry to stop, but my outfit has changed, and I won't be changing any of the profile pic stuff or anything because Stardust took really long on it, and it would be really mean of me to do that. Sorry for stopping, and Hannah's stopped now, so carry on. Okay, next up is a girl called Alex, and she is out of school, and she'll probably be my best friend for life, so yeah.
You've been dressing up the truth, I've been dressing up for you. Then you leave me in this room, this room. Pour a glass and bite my tongue. You say I'm the only one. If it's true, then why you run it, you run it. Ooh, oh. If you're really being honest, if you really want this, ooh, oh. Why you acting like a stranger? What's with your behavior? Ooh, oh. Say my name, if you love me, let me
guys, as I said I would, I'm doing my singing thing now, so yeah, please don't judge. Okay, let's go. I never have given you a second look, but I like the way you don't give a damn. You seem like someone I could pick a fight with and dance all night with. Maybe you like me the way I am. Even though you got bad tattoos and smell like booze, I'm into you. Even though you got an attitude, baby, I'm in love. I said a little too much, I'm a little bit drunk. Feels like I know you so well. You could be everything that I've been missing. I'm coming out of my shell. I never do that. How did you do that? It's like I know you my whole life. So awkward, little drunk. Let's go home together. Yeah, yeah. Let's go home together. Yeah. No. Yeah. Sorry. That's an actual song if you like it. Called Let's Go Home Together. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video now. Bye. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time for my mini movie.